Welcome to the last part of the course. Yay! And in this lesson I'm going to show you the composition I mentioned at the beginning, where I'll be including the 4 illustrations. So, as you can see, all the heads are already finished. And now, what you need to do is drag in the individual illustrations to this file, which, if you recall, must be in landscape format. And once all the paths are in the same file, we're going to add the final details. Notice that we still need to add the lighting effects and other details to the Oscar Wilde's illustration, which we'll be doing in the same file. So, I just need to add this element above the head. As he is represented with an elegant style, I'll characterize him with a top hat. Doesn't it cool? Yeah. For example, in the case of Freddie Mercury, I used a crown because of Queen, obviously. For Virginia, I drew a quill since she was a writer. And, Oscar was also a writer, but I didn't want to repeat the element. Okay, let's apply the Gaussian blur to the name to make it look like a neon sign. I'm going to change the tone, pressing Ctrl U, since it was lighter than the others. Okay. This one, fuchsia, it's great, I like it. Perfect. So this will be kind of the final composition. And before finishing, I still need to add the lighting effects to Oscar Wilde. And I'm going to use the brush resembling a pen that we've been using for the lighting. So don't forget the area under the cheeks, the side of the nose, above the lip, the eyelids, etc. So guys, this will be our final composition. I really hope that you liked this course and that you found this technique useful, which mainly consists of creating a digital illustration with the appearance of a traditional and pen-made drawing. What else? Oh yes, I've also prepared a mock-up so that you can put directly your image in it, and you can also upload it to the project tab if you want to. I know that I've already said this, but thank you so much for enrolling on this course. And again, if you have any doubts about the course or any other aspect, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And guys, when exporting the composition, don't forget to use a JPG format to get a high quality image. And in case you want to print it, use CMYK color mode to keep colors intensity. And well, hope you liked the course, yes again, and see you in a near future. Bye!